Hello, so Assalamualaikum. Welcome again in my new video. Today I am going to tell you that how can you earn money from ClipsClap, the most famous app, and having 10 million plus downloaders. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and search here ClipClaps. After installing the app, open the app in your mobile phone. So first of all, you have to log in. You can log in from Google or Facebook. It's your choice. So I will log in from Google. So here I am logged in from my Google account. So what will here happen, you will watch video and you will earn rewards like this. So here is many options of earning credits in this app. First of all, you have to go in rewards, and here is the option of spin. First of all, you can earn credits from spinning. Here is my I have earned only $1.90 from spins only in few days. So I will tell you the whole process. How can we earn credits? How can we deposit coin into the dollars? So three spins are free, and fourth and fifth spin you get by watching ads.
Guys, stop playing those fake.
So now I will have here my fifth spin. So here I have my fifth spin. This is the mega spin. You have this spin in 1 week for one time. So here I got 1.0 $10 $1.010 in this. So here from here go to videos and you will watch videos. Here click on video taking loading. When this line will be completed, you will get one box of the rewards. So you are watching videos and this line will move automatically. Now you got one reward. Now this line will move again and you will get your second reward. Now this line is moving. If you use my referral code, you will get $1 in free. If you are using my referral code, here line is moving. Here you can also get coin by watching. Now here I got the third crate. Now I will tell you that how can you deposit crates. Click on rewards and click on open crate. Now here you will click on the crate. Here you will get coins. Different things are in the crates. Here I will open this crates. So here I will open my all crates. Here I will open my all crates. So here I am having the lucky roll. You can earn credit in this application by watching videos and and opening the crates. When you will watch videos, you will open the crate. From here you can also earn from spinning. Here you got 5 spin after 5 hours every day, and from here you can deposit this coins. So you have to click on the coins and you have to click on exchange change, and here your coins will be converted into dollars. First I was having $2, $2.6. Now I have deposited, it will be $2.10.
Honey, how do you get the money from? Easy. Just spend $1. This game is 100%.
Now here I am having $2.19. First it was $2.16. Now it is $2.19. From here you can exchange coins into dollars, and you can earn coin by watching videos and playing games. Here are the games. You will play game and you will get coin, and you can deposit the coin, and from here you got rewards. When you will open the crates, you will get these rewards and you can deposit these rewards. And this is my referral code. I will show you my referral code. When you will put my referral code, you will get $2 free, $1 free when you will add my referral code. This is my referral code here on the top. When you will write this referral code, you will get $1 in free. $1 in free. My referral code is 6587397093. You will get $1 in free if you add my referral code. So I will tell you that how can you deposit money from this application. There is the two options of depositing money from this application. First is PayPal. You can deposit money from PayPal. You can also deposit $0.10, $15, $20, $30, $40 and $50. You can also deposit $0.10 also. And second method is your mobile balance. Here is your mobile recharge. You can select any country. In each and every country they are providing the mobile balance. You can select the country which you have, and minimum deposit is $10. Minimum deposit is $10. You can deposit $10. You can take withdraw through mobile recharge and PayPal. Soon I will give the proof of the video that deposit. Soon I will give the proof of the deposit when I will get the deposit. So you will get $1 when you will use my referral code. Here is my referral code 6587937039. I am telling second time. So like this you can also get free dollar in free. So thank you for watching my video.